Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa for Uganda on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Uganda Electronic Visa Permit system website. They have designed the process in 4 steps. You select the application type, you fill the form, you add documents as per your application, and then submit. If you go to menu and you go to help, you will have all the questions that what are the nationalities that are exempted, and how you can check your application status, how to cancel your application, how to pay. All these questions are here, so you can answer. Take a look at that. That will help you. Now when you are ready to start your application, tap on start a new application. But before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So the very first thing is to select visa or permit type. I select visa. I select tourist visa and single entry. Okay. What are the things I need? A return ticket for tourism. You can see it's marked in the bracket. Passport size photograph for all. Passport biodata page for all. Vaccination certificate for all. Okay. And the fee is gonna 50 USD. Tap on next step. Like are you gonna like if you apply in a group, let's say you are going as a couple, then you create a group and then you can apply. But if you are going alone, you don't need to worry about the group. Okay, it's not a mandatory question. So first is given name, surname, date of birth, gender, marital status. To select as per your case. Select as per your own case, not what you see here. Do you have dual nationality, country of birth, immigration status in country of resident, city of resident, email, passport type, ordinary passport, issuing country, place of issue, date of expiry, other data, address where you are gonna stay in Uganda, last 5 countries you visited, and if none, you can put none. Purpose of visit, which date you are gonna come, point of entry where you want to have your visa personalized. So you need to do as per your case. Okay, all the options are here. Days, months, how many specific period. Let's say you are gonna stay there for 20 days. Have you been denied a visa before? Have you been deported before? Convicted, criminal proceeding, suffering from any mental illness? You need to do all that. I have filled only sample data, some data. Next is gonna be add documents that we have seen before. okay, on the first page, and then it will take you to the payment is 50 USD that we know. So in this way you can easily apply, and if granted, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.